Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 12. And in today's tutorial, we'll be focusing on one of the most essential skills for navigating your design space effectively. Understanding how to rotate, zoom, pan, and use additional tools and shortcut keys inside Coohom. To begin, first we learn how to zoom in or out. To do that, there are two ways to zoom in and out. The first method is by scrolling the mouse wheel up or down. Scrolling up will zoom in, and scrolling down will zoom out. The second method is by clicking the plus, minus icons located at the bottom right corner of the canvas. To walk in the canvas, we need to switch to the 3D modeling view. To orbit around your canvas, simply right-click your mouse and drag it in any direction. This allows you to view your objects from all angles, very helpful when fine-tuning your design. Here are some basic movement shortcuts. Move left. S, move backward. Q, move upward. W, move forward. D, move right. These shortcuts allow for a smooth and precise walkthrough within your canvas. To move an object, select it. Click and drag using the directional arrows to move up. To rotate an object, click and drag the circular rotation arrow beneath it. You can also click to reposition an object manually if needed. Need to measure the distance between 2 points? Press Z to activate the tape measure tool. Click on your start point and drag to the end point. The measurement will appear instantly. To add guidelines, press T to activate the guide tool. And that wraps up today's video on navigation and object control in Coohom. Mastering these tools will make your design process much faster and more accurate. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. And don't forget, you can get 73% off on all Coohom Pro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. And also you can get 10% off on all Coohom Elite Plan subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HD Elite. Just click the link in the description to grab the deal. I'll see you in the next lesson where we continue building your skills step by step. Happy designing!